In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Google Meet from Google Calendar. Whether you're new to using Google services or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the steps to seamlessly access and participate in your online meetings from your Google Calendar. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be comfortable joining any Google Meet scheduled in your calendar. To get started, open your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you regularly use. In the search bar, type Google Calendar and press Enter. This should bring you to the main search results page. Click on the link for Google Calendar, which is usually one of the top results. If this is your first time using Google Calendar, or if you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Enter your email address and password and proceed by clicking the Sign In button. Once you're logged into your Google Calendar, you'll see an overview of all your scheduled events. Your meetings will be organized by day, making it easy to find the correct one. Scroll through the calendar to locate the event that you want to join. Click on that event, and you'll notice a pop-up window appearing, providing the details about this particular meeting. This window includes various information like the meeting name, time, participants, and most importantly, the link to join the meeting. Now, locate the Join with Google Meet button within this pop-up. Click on this button, and a new tab or window will open in your browser, directing you to the Google Meet platform. Here, you'll be presented with a preview screen showing your camera view. If you wish, you can turn off your camera or mute your microphone before entering the meeting. Once you're ready, complete your joining process by clicking the Join Now button. And that's it. You're now in the meeting. From here, you can interact with other participants, share your screen if necessary, and utilize all the features that Google Meet offers. It's as simple as that. Just a few clicks, and you're ready to engage with your colleagues, friends, or classmates. By becoming familiar with these steps, you'll ensure you never miss an important meeting scheduled in your Google Calendar. I hope this video guide was helpful and that you feel confident using Google Calendar to join Google Meet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.